how to fix TikTok live access is needed to go live as a guest problem. So let's get started. First thing first, open the TikTok app and log into your account and navigate to your profile. Once on your profile, tap on the three dashboard option available in the top left corner of your screen. Then simply tap on settings and privacy option available there. Now all you have to do is scroll down till the end and tap on the reports a problem option available in the bottom. Once you tap on the reports a problem, you'll get to see live option available there. Tap on it again and tap on live multi-guest option available there. Once you tap on live multi-guest, you'll get to see the option how to join live as a guest. Now tap on it again. And if this information helps you out, then that's it. If not, then simply tap on the no and continue with the process. And here you can see TikTok support available. Now write down to the TikTok support that you have been facing problem on the live as a guest. Now they will definitely give you some troubleshooting ideas and solutions for this problem. And if this also does not work, then simply tap on the submit a ticket option available there and send the screenshot and report a problem to the TikTok customer support, and they will reach to you as soon as possible. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.